Okay, just to give you an alternative on removing the thermostat housing. This is an 87 V4 OMC. This one has to be a Johnson. Evinrude's exactly the same. So when you get this, try to get these bolts in here. And there's another. I gotta go kudos to the gentleman who just cut the whole back section out of this thing so you can get in here. That as well will work. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room in there. So my take on this whole thing, one of the things we used to do in aviation business, go back in here and I cut in, well, these are wallered out 1/2-inch holes. They might have to be a little bit bigger. Basically so that you can get access to the 7/16 socket straight in on. In this case, this one I had to put it in and stick the socket on top of that. Sorry about that. Anyway, it's easy to fill those holes up with something, put a little patch over them, whatever, 5200. And the other thing I used, which will make sense to you when you get into it, is this is a 3/8-inch drive impact driver. In my case, I had to use a 3/8 1/4-inch adapter. Goes in the holes like so, and you should expect this to take a couple of days. You use PB blaster, squirt a penetrating oil on there, use a heat gun. You want to make sure you take this bottom fairing off so you can get a heat gun, and I'd use a heat gun over a torch because flames burn a lot more than just heat. You can get access right up into here where those bolts are. And then you come back down the top. The other gentleman shows him just a quick flash of heat, and he just pops them loose with a ratchet. And even mentions, well, let's see if they come off without breaking. You don't want to break them. They're stainless steel bolts. When they come out, a lot of times these are the new ones. Got new ones to replace it. They come out bent. If you just crank on this thing, put 3/8-inch ratchet, 1/2-inch ratchet, whatever it takes, you'll simply twist off the bolts, and then you break the bolts, and the bolt heads will be broken off in here. And you think it's difficult getting them out now. Imagine trying to get an easy out or something in there. The only way to be able to do it is a TIG welder, or you get somebody who knows what they're doing. They'll TIG weld a little bit of a little tit onto there and come out and you can grab it with a pair of vice grips. But it's going to take a lot of time. Take a couple days. Take your time. Use a little impact. Heat, penetrating oil. Do not strip them out of there and snap them off. It's a pain in the butt. You'll be in deep trouble, and you got to pull the whole power head to get at them. So 1/2-inch. I used 1/2-inch drill. Didn't waller out the other one all the way, so I could put it straight through because you can easily put the socket on it inside here. So at the same time, I'm changing all the hoses, the stats, changing the stats, the springs. Got all new parts here. So Permatex #2 gasket sealer is what I'm going to use on here, and I'll see if I can get some more shots here of assembling it, because it is going to be a pain. The other gentleman actually cut this whole section out so you can take this whole thing and just slide it right up in there. So much easier, absolutely. As an alternative to that, 3 holes. Still going to have to manipulate it in there to see what happens. So let's see what happens here.